Today you're going to do exercise number 4. In this exercise, you're going to discriminate the CH sound that says ch, ch. The sound can be found in the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of the word. So I am going to show you 2 pictures. Listen carefully and try to find the CH sound ch in one of the words. Then you're going to circle your answer according to the picture that has the CH diagraph. So let's do number 1 first. Bench, bench, pizza, pizza. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you picked bench, you are correct. Bench has the CH diagraph at the end of the word. Bench. Number 2. Flag, flag, or watch, watch. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you picked watch, you are correct. Watch has the CH diagraph at the end. Watch. Number 3. Apple, apple, couch, couch. Which picture has the CH diagraph? If you picked couch, you are correct. Couch. Number 4. Cheese, cheese, car, car. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you picked cheese, you are correct. Cheese has the CH diagraph at the beginning of the word. Cheese. Number 5, we have torch, torch, or hat, hat. If you picked torch, you are correct. Torch has the CH diagraph at the end of the word. Number 6. Candy cane, candy cane, church, church. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you pick church, you are correct. Church actually has a CH diagraph at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word. Church, church. Number 7, we have cheetah, cheetah, or house, house. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you pick cheetah, you are correct. Cheetah has the CH diagraph at the beginning of the word. Cheetah. Number 8. We have hand, hand, or child, child. Which word has the CH diagraph? If you picked child, you are correct. The CH diagraph is at the beginning of the word. child. Number 9. Number 9, we have teacher, teacher, or apple. Apple. Which word has the CH digraph? If you picked teacher, you are correct. Teacher has the CH digraph in the middle of the word. Number 10. We have chimp, chimp, or hand, hand. Which word has the CH digraph? If you pick chimp, you are correct. Chimp has the CH digraph at the beginning of the word, chimp. Number 11. Hat, hat, or pitcher, pitcher. Which word has the CH digraph? If you picked pitcher, you are correct. Pitcher has the CH digraph in the middle of the word, pitcher. Number 12. We have clock, clock, or catcher, catcher. Which word has the CH digraph? If you picked catcher, you are correct. Catcher is in the middle of the word, catcher. Number 13. We have peach, peach, or duck, duck. Which picture has the CH digraph? Peach or duck? If you picked peach, you are correct. Peach is at the end of the word, peach. Number 14. We have champion, champion, or hand, hand. Which word has the CH digraph? If you picked champion, you are correct. Champion has the CH digraph at the beginning of the word, champion. Number 15. We have chess, chess, or hat, hat. Which word has the CH digraph? If you pick chess, you are correct. Chess begins with the CH digraph, chess. Number 16. We have clock, clock, or preacher, preacher. Which word has the CH digraph? If you picked preacher, you are correct. Preacher has the CH digraph in the middle of the word, preacher. So this is the end of exercise 4. Remember, you could always rewind, go back to the vocabulary that we've discussed in other exercises, listen carefully for the CH digraph, and you could always watch the video again to continue your practice for your pronunciation and the discriminating sound of the CH. Thank you, and we will see you soon.